Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Jamaican Red Bull finalists for 2022 and 2021, Joel and Flex respectively, represented Dancehall at this year's staging of Red Bull Dance Your Style World Finals in Johannesburg, South Africa. The two were in good spirits on the night and shared their experiences with E-Prime.
It was very fun, because, Jamaica, we bring a different vibe. We're just natural with the vibe, we're energy, we're just gravitating. We're not boring, and everyone just wanted to just have us around just because the vibe and our move and how we talk. Wagwan, yeah, man, you're good. Them way they.
So the first thought is I'm going to the motherland. So I was very excited. Like, come on, I'm Jamaican and I'm going to Africa. Pick up that, And then differently, I was nervous because I knew it wasn't just I'm going up against dancers, but the best dancers around the world. So it was exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time.
Dance curator Latonia Styles, who was also in Johannesburg, told E-Prime that competitions like these only help to push the dance moves coming out of our island.
Well, for the dancers in Jamaica, it's a big encouragement, and I wish they would just take this thing seriously, step up their level, because it's not a intermediate beginner thing. This thing is like way up, advanced. And I think the dancers in Jamaica need to just step up the game.
The night, however, belonged to Wildcard, a Japanese hip-hop dancer, the D. Saraki, who took it over Nigerian Afro dancer King Da Vinci. The chap told E-Prime just how he got into hip-hop.
He became being like really naturally, right? And he also like souls, discos, music. But I think he's now maybe his life become being like a hip hop. That's his answer.
The Red Bull Dance Your Style is a global all-styles dance competition where the best street dancers from across the world converge on one stage. Once in the final, the ultimate winner is determined by the audience, who will vote on the spot with a color watch indicator. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.